about to up here, I promise you that. I mean, we got, I'm not trying to brag you here, you know, we got like gift cards and... I'm sorry, give up. Here we go. Oh. Magic.
Magic, he says. Her name Ice?
Want to slide?
Yeah.
That's right,
Alright, we're doing some YouTube prank videos. So we're trying to
Man, when you showed me that story, I thought you were getting like a dominatrix or something.
Right. Alright, hold on. Yo, Ice. Hey, you got like a paper clip or anything on you that you could help me out with?
Hell
Like
no.
anything? Nothing? Damn, not even like a saw or something? Dude, I mean, something would be awesome. Like, you got some spare keys or...
They just arrest you.
Huh?
No, I don't.
No? Nothing?
It ain't for real.
Yeah. Look at this. This is metal.
That's
some help. Huh?
It's 3 of them.
I think you're on you. Hold on, I gotta get the ID.
Oh, okay. Mind if I go check the keys? Alright.
He's a runner. He's a runner.
What a joker.
Hey, you're with us?
That's fine.
I am so sorry about wasting your guys'
funny.
time. Where? Oh, here. Here's that.
See you guys back.
Oh, you
I'm gonna need your help.
hold this. I got it somewhere.
Still recording? Oh yeah.
We're fine now, I'm sorry.
I put these on backwards.
So one of these. Oh. Just take that.
Yeah. You wanna help me out?
It's one of these, I promise. Go ahead.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Appreciate it.
Trying to go fast. So. You just had him on lock. Are you serious? I'm sorry. Hold on, let me just.
But out of Livonia, that's like 50 miles.
So did she call, I'm assuming, or a female?
I don't know if he calls.
You were dispatched here, right?
Yes.
Okay, then.
For
We-
you, though, is what it sounds like. With the did you have the handcuffs on at one point?
No, he did.
Well, you
The
probably
whole
got
time?
notes in your call screen. I don't have a computer. Did you find it?
I'm sorry, I'm looking.
I feel like you're doing a magic trick.
Oh, no.
That's what it looks like, it does.
Hold on. I'm gonna
Let
find
me
it.
just make the card
I
appear.
just like. Well, yeah, it's about to appear. I promise you that.
Why you always lying?
I'm not trying to brag you here. You know, we got like gift cards and. I'm sorry. Give up. Here we go. Oh.
Magic, he says.
Did you pull back the video?
Oh, here.
Oh no, you're recording us now.
Well,
Cute.
no.
Nice.
Hey, no.
Nice.
Hold on.
Oh, busted.
Here. Hold this.
I'm
please.
trying, man.
Hold it.
That's why he's standing over here. He's watching.
Hell yeah, I got them lights. Bye, have a great time.
Gotta move.